Everyone loves veggies. They're healthy, nutritious, and part of every wellness diet. But what if I told you that one healthy vegetable can actually harm your gut if you don't cook it properly? Stay tuned because this might change how you prepare your meals forever. We usually think raw vegetables are the healthiest. But here's the twist. Some vegetables contain compounds that your gut really doesn't like when they're raw. And one group, beans and legumes, needs extra care. Let's talk about beans, especially kidney beans. These are packed with protein, fiber, minerals, and antioxidants. But when eaten raw or undercooked, they contain something called Phytohaemagglutinin, a type of lectin that acts like a natural plant toxin. Phytohaemagglutinin equals lectin toxin found in raw kidney beans. In fact, raw kidney beans can contain up to 70,000 units of this lectin, but when cooked properly, that drops to safe levels of around 200-400 units. And just 4 to 5 raw beans could trigger nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and severe gut symptoms. So why does this matter for your gut? Raw lectins resist digestion. They bind to the cells lining your intestine instead of being broken down. Because of this, they can irritate your gut lining, trigger discomfort, and even interfere with nutrient absorption. That's why many gut health experts say raw beans should never be eaten. They're one of the rare veggies that can be poisonous if not prepared right. Here's the good news. Proper cooking absolutely fixes this. Cooking beans, especially kidney beans, by boiling them for at least 10 minutes destroys the harmful lectins and makes them safe and digestible. Here are the step-by-step. Soak beans first. Boil vigorously. Avoid slow cookers. They may not reach high enough heat. Canned beans are usually safe, already cooked. Without this step, the lectins are still active, even if they look cooked. Now it's not just beans. Some cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage also contain compounds that can be hard on the gut if eaten raw, especially for people with sensitive digestion. These have complex sugars and fiber that gut bacteria ferment, leading to gas, bloating, and discomfort. Cooking helps break down those tough fibers and makes them easier to digest. Quick gut-safe tips. Cook beans thoroughly. Soak plus boil. Avoid eating them raw in salads. Lightly steam. Cruciferous veggies if you're sensitive. Listen to your body. Digestive peace matters. So next time someone tells you, eat it raw, it's healthier, remember, in some cases, like beans, raw can be risky. Cooking isn't just tastier, it's safer for your gut. Hit like if you learned something new, subscribe for more gut health tips, and comment below what vegetable surprised you most.